Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation. X squared plus 4x squared divided by x minus 2 whole squared is equal to 45. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. X squared plus this 4x squared can be written as 2x whole squared divided by x minus 2 whole squared is equal to 45. Next, x squared plus this expression can be written as 2 times x divided by x minus 2 whole squared is equal to 45. Now we suppose that let x is equal to a and 2 times x divided by x minus 2 is equal to b, and by using this algebraic identity a squared plus b squared is equal to a plus b whole squared minus 2ab. This expression will become x plus 2 times x over x minus 2 whole squared minus 2 times x times 2x over x minus 2 is equal to 45. Now we can write the denominator of this x 1, and we take LCM of this 1 and this x minus 2. LCM is x minus 2. X minus 2 divided by 1 is x minus 2, so we multiply this x by x minus 2. This plus will come here, and x minus 2 divided by this x minus 2 is 1. 1 times 2x will become 2x whole squared minus this 2 times x times 2x will become 4x squared divided by x minus 2 is equal to 45. Next, distribute this x times x will become x squared, x times negative 2 negative 2x plus this 2x divided by x minus 2 whole squared minus 4x squared divided by x minus 2 equal to 45. Now this negative 2x will be cancelled out with this positive 2x. We are left with x squared divided by x minus 2 whole squared minus this 4x squared over x minus 2 can be written as 4 times x squared divided by x minus 2 equal to 45. We suppose that let x squared over x minus 2 equal to t. So the equation will become t squared minus 4 times t is equal to 45. Move this 45 to the left hand side. This will become t squared minus 4 times t minus 45 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and is factorable. We write this t squared, and we break this negative 4t into two terms, negative 9 times t plus 5 times t minus 45 equal to 0. From these two terms we can factor out t. In bracket left t minus 9. From these two terms we can factor out plus 5. In bracket left t minus 9 equal to 0, and this t minus 9 is a common factor, so we factor out this t minus 9, and in bracket left this t and this plus 5. In bracket left t plus 5 equal to 0. From here either this expression t minus 9 equal to 0, or this expression t plus 5 equal to 0. From this equation we get the value of t equal to 9, and from this equation we get the value of t equal to negative 5. Now recall that we have supposed that x squared over x minus 2 is equal to t. We have supposed that x squared over x minus 2 is equal to t. So when t is 9, then this will become x squared divided by x minus 2 is equal to 9. Multiply both sides by x minus 2. This implies that x squared is equal to 9 times x minus 2. Further simplify, this will become x squared is equal to 9 times x, 9x, and 9 times negative 2, negative 18. Move these two terms to the left hand side. This will become x squared minus 9 times x plus 18 equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation and is factorable. We write this x squared, and we break this negative 9x into two terms, negative 3 times x minus 6 times x plus this 18 equal to 0. From these two terms we can factor out x. In bracket left x minus 3, and from these two terms we can factor out negative 6. In bracket left x minus 3 equal to 0, and this x minus 3 is a common factor, so we factor out this x minus 3, and in bracket left this x and this negative 6. In bracket left x minus 6 equal to 0. From here either this expression x minus 3 is equal to 0, or this expression x minus 6 equal to 0. From this equation we get the value of x is equal to 3, and from this equation we get the value of x is equal to 6. This is first value of x and this is second value of x. So from this case we get two solutions, 3 and 6. We solve the second case when in the second case we have t is equal to negative 5. So this will become x squared divided by x minus 2 equal to negative 5. Multiply both sides by x minus 2. This implies that x squared is equal to negative 5 times x minus 2. Further simplify, this will become x squared equal to negative 5 times x and negative 5x, negative 5 times negative 2 plus 10. Move these two terms to the left hand side. This will become x squared plus 5 times x minus 10 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and is not factorable, so we solve it by quadratic formula. According to quadratic formula, x is equal to negative b is 5 plus or minus square root of, in place of b squared we write 5 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is negative 10 divided by 2 times a is 1. Next, x is equal to negative 5 plus or minus square root of this 5 squared will become 25, and negative 4 times 1 times negative 10 will become plus 40 divided by 2 times 1 2, and x is equal to negative 5 plus or minus 25 plus 40 will become root 65 divided by 2. And from here we get other two solutions. X3 is equal to negative 5 plus root 65 over 2, and x4 is equal to negative 5 minus root 65 over 2. So we have four solutions for this equation: 3, 6 and negative 5 plus root 65 over 2, and negative 5 minus root 65 over 2.